Okay, I would like to introduce you to Microsoft Excel. You don't need to do anything, you just need to watch. I'm going to show you a lot of information, and over the next few videos I'm going to show you how you can do this yourself. So don't worry if you don't follow everything, you're just getting a picture of what Excel can do. So first of all, I'm going to go to my Windows button, choose all programs, and I want Microsoft Office. I want Microsoft Word. No, I don't want Word, I want Microsoft Excel. That's the one I want. Good. And it's opened up a workbook made up of 3 sheets. I want to open something that's already created. Open. I want a data. We're in our documents. Where's the documents here? Documents here. And I want my data files. We're doing the functional skills, and I want section 4 because that's where we do all the spreadsheet stuff. Open that, and I'm going to open breakdowns too, and open it. Okay, and here we have a spreadsheet or a workbook showing us all the Haunted Castle breakdowns, all the rides and their breakdowns from January all the way through to December, 12-month period. So for example, the Haunted Vault breakdown 5 times in January, 5 times in February. I just want to create a graph. First of all, I just want to compare January and February and look at how they compare. I want to compare all these rides. So first of all, I highlight January and February. The Haunted Vault, the Black Hole, I want to compare all of them. I'll highlight them, so I go insert. I'll have a column chart here. I've got lots of different choices, but I'm going to go for a column chart, and here we go. And we have what's called an embedded chart. Here we see, look, the Haunted Vault here. Blue is January, red is February, and they're both showing 5 breakdowns. Here we go, Haunted Vault, 5 and 5. Okay, and if we look at the Black Hole, we get 23 for January. Black Hole, yeah, there it is, 23 for January, and 15, yeah, that's right, 15 for February. Okay, that's good, I'm happy with that, but I want to make sure, I want to look at this on a bit bigger, so I'm going to say move this chart please. I want a new sheet. Now a new sheet's going to put it down here, so I could give it a name, yeah, breakdowns, thank you. Oh, spelling would be helpful. Breakdowns, okay. There we go, it's created a new sheet. We've got our original date there, you see it's still highlighted, and we've got this new graph called breakdowns. It's got some information here, it's got the rides, but it doesn't tell us what they're called. Someone could look at that and think, well, what are they? And it's got some information saying it's comparing January, February for each ride. So let's start making it easy to read. First I want to change the layout of it. I want to give it a chart title, and I'll put it above the chart, I think. So breakdowns, okay, spelling again. Breakdowns, chart title there. As soon as I hit enter, that changes for us. Good, it's given a bit more information. So now what are these here? They're rides, weren't they? So let's go to our layout, and I want to give titles to the axes, they're called. We've got 2 axes, one that goes across the horizon, horizontal, and we're going with one that shoots up, that's the vertical one. So let's start with the horizontal one. I'm going to put title below the axis, and there it is, put something down. Start typing rides. Okay, got the rides word going here, hit enter, and it changes for us. Good. So now we know the Haunted Vault and the Black Hole, these are rides. Okay, but what are these numbers here? So let's say, I want to say they are axis titles. They're the vertical going up this time. I've got choices. I'm going to go rotated. Right, there's a rotated. It's going to do that for us. It's rotated. Good. What's this number of breakdowns, isn't it? So number of breakdowns. Oh, trouble with my keyboard here. Downs. Enter. Okay, number of breakdowns. So that's making sense. We've got the ride, the haunted vault, and we know they had 5 breakdowns in January and 5 breakdowns in February. This is starting to make a bit of sense. Although I can read the numbers off here, I wouldn't mind making it a little bit easier for myself. If I click on this, I've highlighted all the blue ones now, and I want to put data, some numbers on the outside. Looks good. Oh yeah, let's put all the numbers. If I can do the same for the red one, all the red ones highlighted now. Layout, data labels on the outside end. Good. There we go. We've got the numbers staring at us as well as having to read them off. That is good. So go to File, Save As, and call it Breakdowns 3. I've already got one saved. It already exists, so I'm going to save it. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'll close this down. Close the sheet. In fact, I'm pretty much finished with Excel for now, so I'm going to exit here. I've closed it down, and that's what we're going to follow over the